New earning method about. Download, install, watch videos, complete surveys, and etc. The link of the website is below on description of this video. Let's quickly get to know about website and how it works. Make money online with PrizeRebel. Complete paid surveys. Earn points and redeem for free cash and gift cards from iTunes, Amazon, Visa, Steam, eBay. Here's how the site works. Sign up for a 100% free account. Earn points by completing short opinion surveys or easy offers. Redeem points for PayPal cash. Or choose from hundreds of gift cards. Before registration, let's quickly read all about below. Top rewards you can redeem for. PrizeRebel is a free-to-use survey panel that was started in 2007 in sunny California with the goal of connecting market researchers and opinion survey takers like yourself. We are trusted by over 12 million registered users globally and have paid out over $20 million in rewards to our loyal members. Our goal is to provide you with consistent extra income where you can take paid surveys from the comforts of your home, or when you are on a quick break from your school or work. Are online paid surveys legitimate? Market research is a billion-dollar industry, and it is certainly legitimate. When a company is developing a new product, service, or even a TV show, they need to speak to individuals like yourself to get your feedback. You are the consumer that they wish to market to and the perfect person to give opinions. They are willing to pay you for your opinions through online surveys, and in return it's a great way for you to make money online whenever you have free time. How do you protect my data? We ask that you fill out a brief questionnaire after you sign up so we can connect you to the right surveys on our platform. This information is only used for matching you to surveys and will never be marketed or sold. How do I get compensated? We give you the option of choosing from hundreds of name brand gift cards, prepaid Visa gift cards, or simply PayPal cash. You can choose to receive rewards digitally or have it shipped to your residence. We have low redemption thresholds and no limits on the amount of rewards that you can redeem for. Rewards are processed within 24 hours so you can enjoy your gift cards or money right away. See some of our favorite rewards below. Okay, let's sign up quickly. Your survey's daily survey. Click here and earn 54 points by completing your first survey. Unlimited surveys may be taken per day. If there are no surveys, please check again later and enjoy one of our other offer walls in the meantime. You need first read for getting acquainted with community guidelines and accept conditions. Then fill the blank about yourself and answer to some simple questions. Tap to continue, and if you see like this, don't worry, close this window and return back page and tap to click here again. Do all the surveys. Okay, let's find other surveys here on top. Your surveys: Pina Labs, AdGate, OfferRow, Ejimite Studios, et Send Revenue Universe. Tap them one by one and get to know more about surveys. Here on AdGate, surveys are about mobile apps. Select your mobile phone: iPhone, iPad, or Android. Here you see the points that you will earn after completing the surveys. Also get 15% from your referrals. Get referrals. Tell your friends, family, and classmates about PrizeRebel. Share your referral link on Facebook, Twitter, email, and on Messenger. 1. Refer. 2. Passively earn. 3. Redeem rewards. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Sit back and watch your points balance grow. As your referrals earn points, you will earn a 15% bonus based on their earnings. Our referral program is the best in the business. And it's the easiest way to earn with PrizeRebel. Why refer with PrizeRebel? Highest rev share payout in the industry. Huge inventory of surveys and offers. Worldwide earning opportunities. PayPal and gift card rewards. Higher earnings per click than traditional CPA affiliate programs. Over tens of thousands paid to our affiliates each month. Grab your link and start earning 15% of referral earnings. Ways to refer. YouTube/vlogging as me. Vlogs and videos are an excellent way to get massive amounts of referrals while building an audience of your own. Social media. Share your referral link on social media. There are plenty of people you may know who want to earn quick cash by filling out surveys with PrizeRebel. Blogging. Start a blog or a personal website and share your experience by writing about PrizeRebel. Write about your survey taking and reward redemption experience so other users can follow your experience and do the same. That's all guys, do the tasks, make money from your referrals, and only you need. Don't stop working and referring. You will get paid more than thousands a day after some month if you will keep your ass moving. Thanks guys for watching. This was my next earning method, and by the way, subscribe to my channel. Good luck.